Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a 3-in-1 layer video in CapCut Mobile. So in here, I've already opened the CapCut apps, and to start you can just clicking on this new project button and choose the video. So to make it simple, I'm going to just choose 3 videos from the CapCut library. So I'm going to choose these 3 videos. Now we can just click on Collage button here and select the format that you want. Because the video is horizontal, I'm going to use this format, and for the ratio I'm going to go with 9:16. Here you can also adjust the position. Let's try to change the position like this. After that, click on continue, and this is the preview. If you want to, you can make all the video to have the same duration. You can just trim the video one by one like this and delete the rest of them. You can also explore more. For example, you can add filter, you can add effects, or anything that you like. After that, you can just click on export. So this is the 3-in-1 layer video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.